In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix Bluetooth not showing new devices. If your phone Bluetooth is unable to see and pair with other devices, just watch this video until the very end to find out on how to go away with such an issue. You will have to first check and confirm that your Bluetooth is enabled. Head into your phone settings and enable your Bluetooth on. Then tap on the option of Allow New Connections. The devices will appear right here. If failed to show up, just make sure to check if the other device's Bluetooth is also connected. And still double check down to confirm if you have enabled the other device to allow devices to connect to it. That's how easy it is to fix your Bluetooth not connecting to other devices. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.